everyone, my name is GMK with Tech Media GH, and on this particular episode I want to take you through a basic tutorial as to how to get images or whatever on Google, probably which is not accrued to challenges of copyright or copyright free images or whatever. So it's very simple. It's something you and I have actually we do a lot on Google, and so whatever you see on Google, don't forget on one way or the other they have copyright claims. But I want to just take you through something very unique. It's very simple, so just relax and watch this particular video from the beginning to the end, and you will be sorted out. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Media GH. Share this particular video if it's of help to you and so many others, so that whatever video we upload you can also get it. Thank you very much. So let's go straight to the point. So quickly go on Google Chrome on your laptop as we have here. So I'm quickly going to search, let me say probably beautiful flowers. You just need something to either share on Facebook or whatever. So here they are. We have quite a number of beautiful flowers here, but don't forget the flowers you see here are not just this thing. Whatever you download might be probably lead to challenges of copyright. So as we have them, what we just have to do is, these are the images. Quickly move your cursor to where the settings, tap on it. There is a fly out, move it down to the, we have the first one to be what, search settings, languages, hide explicit results, advanced search. Just pause it here, advanced search, land on this one and click the button. As we have here advanced search, quickly scroll down. Now what do we have here? We have all kinds of these things here that you have to do. Find pages with all these words, beautiful flowers, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words, numbers ranging from blah blah blah. That is not our main listing, so we are going to scroll down. We have save search, file type, then usage right. So quickly move the cursor here, tap on it. You see there is a pop-up or a flyout. Not filtered by license, free to use or share, even commercially, free to use. Probably you do a lot of online businesses and all that, and you just need this flower for a particular purpose. Just click on this one, so we have it. Then don't forget, when you are done with that, now we now have advanced search. Click the button and here they are now, which means these particular flowers you see here more or less free to use or share, even for commercial purposes. So the flowers is here, whatever you want, any of these. Let me go for this particular one, so just click on it. Now it is here. I really like the flower, so what do? I want to save it. Just on your keyboard you can just hit Ctrl+S. Here you have it. They are giving an option, and then move the cursor to where on the save distance, click on it, and then so here it is downloading. Here it is. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech stuffs or text tabs. So let me just click on that and let's see. Let's see. Let's just have a look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, free photo, red flower, beautiful. So here we have it. Let me just get it up. So this is what I have here, the flower that I had wanted. But don't forget that we have to pass through quite a number of processes before. So this flower, as you see here, you've actually taken steps before getting it, and so whatever you want to use it for, you can use it. Don't forget it is written here. What is written here? Free photo, red flower, beautiful flower, whatever. So here we have it. So basically, whatever maybe you want to actually upload this on Facebook, on any other social media handle, is up to you. We are here to just give you steps on how to do these stuff, or how to get images free, copyright free stuff like this. It's very unique, it's very simple, it's very easy. Just follow the steps and you will get it for whatever you want. Thank you very much. My name is GMK with Tech and Media GH. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment for any if you have any problem. Thank you very much, and God bless you.